life's stormy seas. In darkness you are my guiding light. Your kindness and love, they always shine so bright. Like a diamond, you were there for me through day and night. Your words of encouragement, they lift me so high. When I couldn't believe myself, you make me fly. Your support and care is highly appreciated. You have been my strength in every possible way. You are my best friend, my pillar, my everything. I'm happy to have you and for being my wings. In happy times, in times of sorrow and pain, you are the only one I'll always look up to again and again. Through laughter and tears, you were always there. You never slide away. A listening ear and a shoulder to learn on. Your selflessness inspires me and it touches my heart. You are deeply appreciated and I will never fail.